Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's awesome having you here today. I'm Seun Solomon and welcome to Seun Online Hustle. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 things to help you make money in 2022. Merry Christmas in arrears, and I wish you a prosperous Happy New Year in advance. Thank you so much for always coming back to this channel to watch every video we drop, and thank you for your engagement so far, for liking our videos, for subscribing, for sharing with your friends. I really appreciate you so much. So let's go straight to business. In 2022, I just want to share 5 things I know you can do that will help you make more money, or help you make money in 2022. So what is the first thing I'll be sharing with you? The first thing you need to do in 2022 is to master the use of social media. A lot of us don't know how to use social media. We think social media is somewhere you can just come and just do as you like, post, and just do as you wish. Yes, that's how it was some years ago or some time ago, but not now again. A lot of people are making a lot of money from social media. I see a lot of people make videos and just post it on their social media account, on their TikTok or on their Instagram or their Facebook page, and they are not making a dime from it. So in 2022, instead of just creating videos and just posting it on Instagram, on TikTok, and on Facebook, you can actually make this video and post them on YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel and post them, and in few months time, or let me say after some time, those videos can earn you a lot of money. A lot of people don't know this. So I advise you in 2022, master the use of social media. Go and do your research about how to create videos on YouTube, or how to create a YouTube account. Do your research, create a YouTube account, and post your videos there. And immediately use 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you start getting paid by YouTube. Finish, and you can accomplish that within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year if you are consistent. So that's it about that. Number 2, you must decide which other things you have to add to your sources of income. Yes, it's either online courses, creating online videos to sell to people. That's if you have a skill you want to teach people, or you go into e-commerce, or you go into affiliate marketing, or you start doing online job, or you become a freelancer. So that's also boils down to learning a skill. You know, on this channel, I so much emphasize on learning a skill if you want to make money online, or even if you want to make money, just want to make money, because there's no way you make money without having something to offer. So everybody on earth that are making money, they have something to offer. That's why they are making money. They have a service to offer. So in 2022, decide which other business you want to go into, so as to be able to make more money. The third point I want to give is very important. You must have a minimum of 4 streams of income. I will give you some stream of income you can venture into, or you must venture into next year, 2022. One of them is cryptocurrency. Yes. The next is YouTube. You know, I spoke about having a YouTube channel where you can post your video. Yeah, YouTube is the second one. And the third one is e-commerce. And the fourth one can be your regular job, if you have a regular job. So that's 4 stream of income. And you can decide to go for any other stream of income you want to go into, or you desire to go into, apart from the one I've spoken about. We have affiliate marketing, we have digital marketing. So there are a lot of things you can go. Just make sure next year you have a minimum of 4 streams of income. The fourth thing you need to do next year is to start gradually and be consistent. Start gradually and be consistent. Don't rush it. Okay, for instance, first, when you want to go into cryptocurrency, choose a strategy, or choose your own system. For instance, you can decide, okay, I want to go into cryptocurrency. All I just want to do is to buy, hold, and keep for a very long time. That is good. Buy it, hold it for a long time, and when you want to sell. So that's another form. You go, okay, you decide, okay, I want to trade cryptocurrency next year. Do your research on how to trade. You learn how to trade. Then you buy the currency. Then you start trading. Or you want to stake your coin. Just do that. Just make sure you start gradually and you are consistent. Don't be distracted. And the last thing I want you to do is to save your funds or invest in mutual funds. Do you know about mutual fund? Let's go on Google and search for mutual fund. Just type what is mutual fund. You see different mutual funds we have. Stanbic e.t.c Bank does mutual fund. Here those mutual funds and the likes. Yeah. And again, I would like to just chip this in. A lot of videos, a lot of us are doing something already. We have some skills that we can earn us a lot of money, but we are not implementing them. So in 2022, I want you to sit back. Those skills you've learned in 2021, make sure in 2022 you are not learning other skills, because acquiring a lot of skills get us distracted and we are not focused. And the key to making money online or making money is being focused on one thing. If you know you have 3 skills, yes, look for one that you are good at, very good at that, and put all you have in it while you are developing the other skills on the ground. For instance, you are good in digital marketing and you also know about video editing or video content creation, video animation, custom animation, and the likes. But you are good at digital marketing. Focus on that digital marketing, because that is where your confidence is in. Over the years, you can become a pro in the other business, that's the video content creation. So in 2022, don't think of acquiring other courses to just, if you acquire more courses to just get you distracted, you will get more result. And the main aim is to make more money. Yes, at the beginning, or maybe at some point, you might not start getting the result you wish to start getting. But if you are focused and you are consistent, at the point you get to. So I advise you in 2022, all the skills you've learned, make sure you master them and focus on them. Build them so that you can become a voice when it comes to that aspect. And if you don't have any skills yet, you don't have issue. In 2022, I have a lot of skills I'll be disclosing on this channel that you can buy. They will come in form of courses, so that you can get access to and learn them and have access to me also to train you. And if you also have some other trainer you desire to learn from, do everything you have to do to get their course or get to them and learn one skill. But make sure if you are going to be learning any skill next year, that's 2022, make sure you are not learning more than 2 skills, so you can have time build on them and fly with them. So that's that about that. Thank you for always going back to this channel and watch all of our videos. I really appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I beg, subscribe. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you need anything when it comes to making money online, or you need me to help you in one skill or the other, by 2021 I'll be this let me say by February next year, many of my courses should be ready for you to purchase. So by February, latest February ending or March, you should be planning to get one of my courses. Yeah. So if you don't have any skill yet and you desire to learn one or two skill, or you have a skill you want to learn and you don't know how to go about it, do well to reach out to me. Go to the description box. You see my WhatsApp number there. Connect with me on WhatsApp and I can help you with that. Because thank you so much, I really appreciate you. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do that, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and leave in the comment section what you think about this video. And if you have any question, do well to ask. Enjoy.